Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another Git command, that is Git Rebase. So let's get started with today's video. So Git Rebase main purpose is to clean up your history. So it creates a clean or like easier to understand commit history, and it reduces merge commit as well. So let's see, in branch, write git branch. So we have two branches, commands and main. So here if I'll write git checkout main and here write git log. So here you can see latest some latest log. So this is the log I have kept. So this you can see in main as top one. So we will be creating a new branch. Let's say git checkout -b rebase tutorial. So that will be having all the commits of main branch till now, whichever is there. Then write git log. So here you can see main and as of now rebase tutorial are both on same commit. So I'll just write rebase tutorial commit id as well as d. So now let's clear the terminal, and now let's check out to main once again, and we will be doing any change in index.php file. So with git write rebase tutorial, and now let's add the to staging area and then commit write rebase tutorial. So now write git log and copy this commit id also, and let's paste where we are recording our logs. So let's give this a b. So now let's switch branch to rebase tutorial, git checkout rebase tutorial, and inside this also we will be creating one commit. So git log you can check. So now in index, let's add one more paragraph. Write anything, rebase tutorial is a powerful command. Now add to staging area git add and then commit. So here write commit, let's say paragraph edit, then check git log again. So this commit id also let's keep a record here with e. So now let's clear again, and we will be merging this. I'll show you difference of merge and rebase. So here write git merge main branch. So here this is creating one more new commit. So here you can see commit message, and just exit this. So here if you write git log, you can see a new commit is created. So let me show you a representation. So here is main branch. So main and rebase tutorial. So main we were having A and B. Then from B we created a rebase tutorial D, and we created both separate commit, that is CE. Then we merged into main. So what merge is doing, whichever C was there, it merged with E and created M, a new merge. So now let's reset this, and we'll see how rebase will work. So here write git log once, you can check the log. Then we will be using command git reset head 1, so to remove this merge commit. Then write a git checkout dot to remove whichever changes we have done. So again write git log. So here you can see now it's on E. So let's clear. Now write git rebase main. So here understand the scenario, but git rebase too. So it finds the common ancestor. So that is B in our case, that from where git rebase started. So here git identifies your branch commit, that is your D and E then. Then what happens? Git moves your main branch dip from B to C, and then it again creates D and E. So here you can see main commit as well, and your new commit, that is new commit id that is created. Your A, B, C will be in line, and your D is removed. Basically it is never an actual commit because it is from where you have created that branch. So that's the reason only one commit you are seeing new commit, that is E. So understand the difference. With git merge you are having 6 commit IDs, but with rebase you are having only 4 commit IDs. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.